Hey, I'm Richard Conway, CEO and founder of Pure SEO. In this month's report, you'll see there's been a Google update, and the Google update is related to spammy links. Now, a link is when a third-party website points to your website. You can kind of think of that as like a vote for your website, and if everything's equal, the more of these votes you get, especially from high authority sites, the higher your website appears on Google. But if links are created in an automated manner, or if they're done in a not ethical manner, Google's algorithm can pick that up and remove value, or worse, can give a penalty. Now, we'd be creating these links for you on a monthly basis, so you don't need to worry too much about it. But if you're interested, you can read the blog post or chat to one of your account managers. The other thing that's happened this month is Google have sunsetted Gmail ads. They were the ads that appear in your Gmail. Now, what they've done is they've replaced that with discovery ads. I was lucky enough to be invited a couple of years ago by Google to attend Google Marketing Live in San Francisco when they announced these discovery ads. Now, we've been rolling these out for customers and they've been really, really successful. If you're interested in understanding more, you can read the blog post or you can contact one of your account managers.